Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has recently broken out another quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart. And after that, the price line is tucked inside in another rising wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 4 or 5 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the movement of the price line is getting squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. You can see that we have broken out this channel, and after the breakout, the price is still moving here. And now we are about to hit the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very powerful rally from this low to this high. It was almost more than 688%, almost 700% pump, but the price could not break out. This long-term resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And in today's video, we will also watch this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 19th of October 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared on 19th of October 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Bitcoin Cash was completing on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone. And below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as predicted, the price dropped down, completed the leg here and to the buying zone. Then we had a nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And before that, we caught almost 11% pump. And this move I shared on 17th of July 2024. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Bitcoin Cash completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down and entered the buying zone. Then we had a nice reversal. And this was almost 11% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price is moving inside this rising wedge pattern since after 8th of August 2024, when it was moving inside this previous channel. We found the support and resistance of this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection here, another rejection here, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, and now the price is once again moving towards the resistance of this wedge. If this time it will be once again rejected by the resistance, and it can test the support of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at $330. And in case of breaking down the support of the wedge, the technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge at $270. But we have already broken out this quite long-term resistance of the channel. Therefore, in my opinion, it can break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. Despite this bearish bias move, this rising wedge pattern, but I'm expecting that it can break out the resistance of the wedge because we have broken out this channel. And after the breakout, the technical target will be here approximately at $530. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that target can be here at the top of the channel, where we have this quite long-term resistance on that starts from $700 to $800. That is also the target for the breakout from this channel. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this previous resistance, this resistance on from $700 to $800 has been previously breaking. As a resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance on here, and resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the long-term technical target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.